Yes, sir. You already know this your boy B Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and get right into it. You know we don't like to waste nobody's time. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up so it can reach more people. Today we're gonna be touching bases on SOS Limited. That's ticker symbol SOS. We been had this one on our radar, guys. Let's check it out. We opened at $6.93. The high was $7. The low was $6.06. The 52-week high was $15.88. The 52-week low was 50 cents, 51 cents. So this morning, SOS opened up around the $7 range, and we panicked all the way down to $6, $6.06, the low $6 range, and that was a perfect dip by opportunity, in my opinion. And once you bought it at that $6 range, where you could exit at, if you got in at 606, where you could exit at is about $5.80. If it break below 580, I would get out and re-enter at around 392. And I'm gonna show you on the chart why I say that. Because if it break below that 6, fall into the 5s, it can easily fall down to 396 right there before it rip off. But I don't think we should go that low. I'm bullish on SOS. I think it's just trying to panic sell, make the newbies, and make the small investors try to trick them out or whatnot. So let's go ahead and look at it, look further into it. Before we look over the charts and stuff, let's see what the big dogs doing. Told y'all we like to see what Wall Street doing. Let's see what their price target is on this. Let's see what their money doing. Let's see all that good stuff. The one analyst offering 12-month price forecast for SOS have a median target of $20 with a high estimate of $20 and a low estimate of $20. The median estimate represents a plus 199% increase from the last price of $667. So this thing is way undervalued from when they putting their price target at. They think this thing is worth 3 times as much as it is right now. But like I told y'all, don't let this make your decision. Just use this as homework. Use me as homework. You the executive at the end of the day. I'm my executive. So let's see. Now, told y'all they like to hate on these companies in public, but they be buying in private. They ain't too much hating on this one. So let's see what their pocket's doing though. Institutional ownership, 0.0%. None. Increased position, 37,000 shares. Decreased position, 192,000 shares. Held positions, 185,000 shares. Total institutional shares, 44,000. Out of 44,000 shares, they decreased their position 192,000. So they holding way less. They decreased their position way less than what they holding. New positions, 35,000. Sold out position, 192,000. See, that they what they pockets doing and what their targets is ain't adding up. That's why I told you. Now you looking confused. Don't be confused. Just use this as your homework. You just taking all this information, putting it together, plus what I got to say, putting it all together to come to a conclusion on what you want to do. You the executive. You feel me? So let's carry on. Now let's check out the charts of SOS. So SOS trading at about $6.66 right now at this recording. So at 6.66, so let's look at this. I didn't expect it to break 683. And reasoning being is because on the day, let's go back on February 23rd at 9:40 a.m. This the day the whole market had tanked. The whole market had tanked. Everything was red. Everything fell low, extremely low. So SOS had fell to 683 and spiked back up, pulled back up to like seven plus, like $758, probably $8, I think. So when it pulled back, you wouldn't expect to get the $6 range no more. And plus, Bitcoin is going crazy, and SOS is like a sympathy play to Bitcoin. Just I was telling y'all about AMC is a sympathy play with Express. SOS is a sympathy play to Bitcoin. When Bitcoin go up, SOS supposed to go up. But since so many anticipating on that and know that, that's why it's reverse psychology. That's why SOS probably dropping so hard, because Bitcoin going up right now. And so many people putting all their money, putting so much money on the line, anticipating on it to go up. So we could see a nice pullback before we rip up. But I don't think, I highly doubt we'll see the $4 range. But you always want to be prepared, because anything's possible in the market. That's why you never go all in. You size in your position accordingly. You feel me? So let's check it out, y'all. That 683 right here, I didn't expect SOS to break that. But since it did break that 683 and fell to 606 on the chart, that's not even a support right there. That's not even, it's making its own new support. Like if I go back on the chart, I usually find my support levels. It's not a support level nowhere at $6. If I go to my next support level from once we broke that 683, that next support level would be here. Check this out. SOS, February the 10th, 397. Once we broke 632 on that chart right there, it's a free fall straight down to 397, right at the high fours, 397, the high threes. So, you know, be cautious of that. So let's carry on. But in the short term, that could possibly happen. It could possibly fall back to the high fours, the low fours, the high threes. And for the long term, after we get out of this pullback, after we get out of this, we're going straight to the moon, most definitely. And on this chart, we at 680, 666 right now. So once we get to that 683, get back to where that last previous dip was, it's on from there. Once we get to that 683, we can shoot up to $8 quick right here on the chart. We can shoot it at 819 quick. And once we get to 819, we'll test that level and we can go straight up to the promised land. We can go to $10.19. We can go up to that range, and from there we can keep trucking. You feel me? So you already know, this is not financial advice. I'm just showing y'all what Behave's doing. You feel me? On me and on this, I show y'all my position, show y'all why I got in that. I told y'all, I always wait for the pullbacks. I always wait for the pullbacks. Don't get FOMO. Don't get fear of missing out. You'll get burned. So check this out. Show y'all my position. SOS Limited. Total cost, I got $3,300 invested. I got an average price of $6.33. I'm up $166. So I really got in at the bottom. I got in at $6.05, 606. Like if that was the bottom, I got in there. I just added once it started running up. I just added to my position and averaged up. So it took my average from 606 to 630. And now I'm locked in. I won't be doing no more average. Only way I would, if this thing pulled back to the fives, I sell probably 75% of my position. And then I'm going to re-enter my position where I told y'all that it could possibly pull back to the high threes, 397, low fours, you feel me? And I load the boat right there again. So you already know. That's all I got for this video. This your boy B Hayes. If y'all like these type of updates, these type of predictions, these type of hot stock, all that good stuff, you already know you found the right place. Consider joining the family. Much love over here. We out, y'all. God bless.